Crispi has founded in the 1975 by my father, Alessandro Marcolin, who is still working in the factory. He was always thinking about the production of a special kind of shoe, comfortable, using the best material that were present in the market at that time. He had a huge experience in the shoemaker industry because he has worked in a shoe making company for a long time. He has started in the 75 with the production of a low-cut shoe called Mocassino. The low-cut shoe was completely handmade. He had started in a small garage. He had the car inside and decided to take away the car and put the machine inside. And he started working day and night in order to reach his dream. The focus has always been talking about the quality of the boots and the comfort. He was always thinking about having a shoe that was adapting to the foot, instead of having a foot adapting to the shoe. We listen at the needs of all the people that are using our shoes, ambassadors, testers, users, but also the relationship with the distribution and the client are helping us to develop new stuff. But also we look at the changement of the world. We approach the market not necessarily talking only about the boot. This is because the world is changing fast and the evolution of the material is part of it. We don't change the process of material easily. We test it for a long time before the launch on the market. My name is Federico Marcolin. I'm the CEO of Crispi Sport and also the son of the founder, Alessandro Marcolin.